This is one of my most favorite hair conditioner recipes. I have used all natural ingredients like emulsifying waxes and oils and butters in this conditioner. You see how smooth and buttery this conditioner mask is. Hey friends, this is Suparna from Sapurna Creations. Welcome to my channel, Sapurna Creations. Let's start this process making this hair conditioner mask together. First step is to take a weighing machine and just bring it on 0 so that we can have exact weight of distilled water. 255 grams of distilled water I'm taking here because I'm making a bigger batch this time. And then I'm taking almost 30 grams of shea butter plus canola oil I have taken, which makes 163 grams in total. I'm taking 15 grams of BTMS 25 here. It helps to emulsify oils with the water. 10 grams of ceteryl alcohol. It helps to thicken the mixture and also helps in emulsification. These all three compounds are derived from palm and coconut trees and are very natural. I'm taking 5 grams of cetyl alcohol now, and it also helps to emulsify and thickens the mixture. Now I am making a double boiler for both distilled water and the oils and butters, because both the liquids should be at the same temperature at the time of emulsification. Guys, this is pure chemistry, and if something goes wrong, the whole product will be wrong. I measured the temperature and the temperatures were almost around same 45 degrees Celsius. After mixing the liquids, blend until you reach a smooth and thick consistency of this mixture. Leave it aside for 10 to 15 minutes until it is cooled. The mixture will thicken on its own after cooling, so we don't need to blend it further. Now we can add 1 gram of glycerin, which is a natural vegetable product, and then add D-panthenol. It helps to moisten and provides protein to your hair strands. I'm using natural rose essential oil for fragrance. And then add 1 gram of Germal Plus for preservation. I'm using preservative for the reason because this mask will last for 3 to 4 months, and then if sometimes some water goes into this mask, that can lead to bacterial growth, and I don't want that thing. That's why I'm using the preservative here. Now you can bottle it in a sterilized container and you are done. Here you go with the rich, thick and creamy hair conditioning mask. I hope you friends will definitely try it at home, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.